Have your legs been feeling weak, shaky, or constantly tired, no matter how much rest you get? Do you wake up and feel like your legs just aren't supporting you the way they used to? Well, you're not alone. Weak leg muscles can be a warning sign from your body, and it doesn't always mean you're aging. It could be your diet. In fact, what you eat first thing in the morning might be silently draining your energy and leaving your legs weaker day by day. But don't worry, because in today's video, brought to you by Fitness Tips, we're going to share 6 powerful morning foods that can help restore leg strength naturally. These aren't exotic or hard to find superfoods. They're simple, science-backed foods that can make a world of difference, especially when consumed in the morning. So stay tuned till the very end, because number 5 is a complete game changer that even athletes use to boost performance. And trust me, once you hear about number 6, you'll wonder why you haven't added it to your breakfast already. Let's dive in. 1. Eggs. Let's start with one of the most underrated, yet powerful foods for leg strength, eggs. Eggs are often called nature's multivitamin for a reason. They contain high-quality protein, essential amino acids, vitamin D, B12, selenium, and choline, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining muscle health and nerve function. Now, why is this important for your legs? Well, our leg muscles are some of the largest muscles in the body. They need consistent, high-quality protein to repair, grow, and maintain strength. And unlike protein powders or artificial supplements, eggs offer bioavailable protein, meaning your body can absorb and use it easily. But here's the real secret. Eating eggs in the morning helps trigger muscle protein synthesis early in the day, which is the process your body uses to rebuild muscle fibers. Especially if you're over 40, your body's ability to build and maintain muscle drops significantly. But a breakfast that includes 2-3 eggs can literally flip that switch back on. Plus, eggs help you feel full and energized, which is essential if you're planning to walk, exercise, or stay active during the day. So the next time you're thinking of skipping breakfast or grabbing sugary cereal, think again. Boiled, scrambled, or poached eggs could be your key to stronger legs. Do you feel your legs trembling when you climb stairs? That might not be aging, it might be missing nutrients from your breakfast. 2. Spinach. Next up is the mighty spinach. This green leafy vegetable might remind you of Popeye cartoons, and surprisingly, there's truth behind that. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, potassium, nitrates, and iron, nutrients that directly affect leg muscle function, blood flow, and nerve conduction. Let's break this down. First, magnesium and potassium help your muscles contract and relax properly. Ever experienced leg cramps, stiffness, or fatigue? That could be a result of electrolyte imbalance, something spinach naturally helps correct. Second, the nitrates in spinach improve blood flow to your muscles. And better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to those tired leg muscles, giving you energy, stamina, and quicker recovery. But here's something most people don't know. Eating spinach in the morning, especially lightly steamed or added to an omelet, can immediately boost nitrate levels and improve endurance even within a few hours. That's why it's often used by runners and cyclists before long workouts. Plus, it's rich in iron, which is especially important if you're feeling weak or have anemia. Iron boosts red blood cell production, helping deliver more oxygen to your legs. So whether it's in a smoothie, omelet, or sautéed on toast, make sure spinach finds its way to your breakfast plate. Your legs will thank you. Did you know? A single cup of spinach can increase muscle efficiency by up to 11%, according to some studies. That's not just food, it's fuel. 3. Oats. If you're struggling with leg fatigue throughout the day, especially after walking or light activity, your muscles might not be getting sustained energy. And this is where oats come into the picture. Whole grain oats are one of the best complex carbohydrates you can eat in the morning. Unlike sugary cereals or white bread, oats release energy slowly into your bloodstream. That means consistent glucose supply to your leg muscles without spikes or crashes. But there's more. Oats also contain beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that not only helps digestion but also supports steady blood sugar levels, crucial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance, which can often affect circulation and leg strength. Additionally, oats are rich in iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, a perfect combo to energize tired legs and reduce that heavy, sluggish feeling. If you add a scoop of peanut butter or chia seeds to your oats, you also get healthy fats and proteins to support muscle recovery and joint health, especially important if you experience joint stiffness in the morning. So the next time you need leg stamina for a long workday, morning walk, or workout, reach for oats. It's not just breakfast, it's fuel for your legs. Remember the days when you could run up the stairs or walk miles without a second thought? You can get back there. It all starts with what's on your plate in the morning. 4. Bananas. Now, let's talk about bananas, one of the simplest and most effective morning foods to restore leg strength. Bananas are best known for their high potassium content, but they also provide magnesium, vitamin B6, and natural sugars like glucose and fructose, making them the perfect morning energy booster for your muscles. Why does this matter? Potassium is essential for muscle contraction and fluid balance. When potassium levels drop, it can lead to leg cramps, twitching, and overall weakness, especially after sleep, when your body is slightly dehydrated. That's why eating a banana in the morning, even before your coffee, can help rebalance your electrolytes, hydrate your muscle cells, and prep your legs for movement. Plus, bananas provide quick, digestible energy without the crash. That's especially helpful for older adults or people who wake up feeling low on energy. Want to boost the benefits? Try pairing a banana with some peanut butter or Greek yogurt. The added protein helps repair muscle fibers while the banana delivers the energy to keep them moving. It's a delicious way to say goodbye to leg cramps and hello to strength. Do you frequently wake up with stiff, aching legs? That might be your body begging you for this mineral-rich fruit before it leads to something more serious. 5. Greek yogurt. If you're looking to rebuild leg muscle mass, especially after injury, aging, or long periods of inactivity, you need one thing above all: protein. And one of the best sources of high-quality morning protein is Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained, meaning it contains nearly double the protein with less sugar and more nutrients per serving. And here's a bonus: Greek yogurt is one of the best tolerated dairy options, even for people who are lactose sensitive. So if you've been avoiding dairy for fear of bloating, Greek yogurt might just be your new best friend. Eating it in the morning helps kickstart muscle synthesis, especially when combined with fruits like berries or nuts for added antioxidants and healthy fats. So whether you've been dealing with age-related muscle loss, leg injuries, or you just want stronger legs for daily activity, Greek yogurt in the morning is a smart, science-backed move. What do Olympic athletes, bodybuilders, and seniors rebuilding mobility all have in common? They rely on this exact food for muscle recovery, and it's sitting in your grocery store. 6. Sweet potatoes. Last but definitely not least, sweet potatoes. You might be surprised to hear this, but sweet potatoes are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat in the morning, especially for your legs. But here's what makes sweet potatoes really powerful: they're an excellent pre-workout food. Whether you're going for a walk, hitting the gym, or doing yoga, having sweet potatoes in the morning can give you the slow-burning fuel your legs need to stay active longer without fatigue. They're also easy to prepare. You can boil them, bake them, or mash them up with cinnamon and a bit of olive oil or yogurt for a delicious, healing breakfast. Even people with arthritis or joint pain in their knees or hips have reported better movement after adding sweet potatoes regularly to their diets. If your goal is leg strength, endurance, and inflammation control, don't skip this powerful root vegetable. Before you rush off to grab your usual breakfast, ask yourself, is it building your strength, or breaking it down slowly every day? Remember, the key is consistency. You don't need to eat all of these in one morning. But by rotating them into your breakfast over the week, you'll start to feel stronger, more stable, and more energized from the ground up. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, subscribe to Fitness Tips, and turn on notifications, because we're constantly sharing science-backed, natural health advice to keep you strong, mobile, and energized, no matter your age. And if you've experienced weak legs, cramps, or fatigue, let us know in the comments which food you're going to try first. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.